234, officer down, officer down. I'm hit. Ah!
On May 28, 2025, 2 police officers with the Mifflin Township Police Department were shot and almost killed by a man that should have already been in prison. He was free due to the negligence of Franklin County Judge Kimberly J. Brown. Just before 7 p.m., the officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle that was occupied by 2 men, an unidentified driver and a passenger, Devontae Dixon. At the time of the stop, Mr. Dixon was on probation with 16 years of prison on the shelf. He was also concealing a firearm, which is a violation of his probation. As the officers approached the vehicle, Mr. Dixon exited the vehicle and fled on foot with the officers in hot pursuit. While fleeing, Mr. Dixon fell to the ground, and when his apprehension was imminent, he retrieved a firearm from his waistband and opened fire on the pursuing officers, striking them both. The officer closest to Mr. Dixon at the time was struck multiple times, including 1 round in the face and another in his torso. The officer would be dead today if not for the life-saving efforts of paramedics and the staff at Grant Hospital. The second officer was struck in the arm and is in good condition. Roughly 1 minute of body camera and security camera footage of the incident has been released to the public.
Now you. 234, we got 1 man. You got him. Yeah, oh, fired. Shots fired, shots fired. 234, officer down, officer down. I'm hit. Ah! You got him. Yeah, oh, fired. Shots fired, shots fired.
The suspect in this case, Mr. Devontae Dixon, should have already been in prison. In June of 2023, Devontae Dixon was arrested and charged with aggravated burglary with a gun spec, kidnapping with a gun spec, domestic violence, possession of a dangerous ordinance, which means he had a Glock with a switch, making it a fully automatic weapon, aggravated menacing, and 2 counts of weapons under disability. In Ohio, that means he was a felon with a firearm. On April the 5th, 2024, he was allowed to take a sweetheart deal by Franklin County Judge Kimberly J. Brown, who sentenced him to 36 months of community control, also known as supervised release. Devontae Dixon was convicted of 7 crimes, 2 of which were first-degree felonies, and he was released out to the public, where he later attempted to murder 2 police officers. How do you get 36 months of probation for committing an aggravated burglary while using a fully automatic weapon? At the time of the shooting, Devontae knew that if he were caught, he'd be going to prison for 16 years, so he decided to shoot his way out. This man's attempt to murder 2 police officers is the direct result of the negligence of judges like Kimberly J. Brown, who should have sent him to prison with the opportunity for parole, not the other way around. Stop asking police officers to risk their lives daily to apprehend these monsters when you're just going to let them right back out.
234, officer down, officer down. I'm hit. Ah!